Project Private Limited. In a world where controlled environments are critical to success, the demand for precision-built classrooms has never been greater. Based in Vadodara, Gujarat, MK Cleanroom Project Private Limited goes beyond meeting these demands. We redefine them. As pioneers in cleanroom technology, we create environments where safety, efficiency and innovation thrive together. At MKCRP, we believe that every project is an opportunity to create an environment where safety and efficiency meet. We specialize in manufacturing top-quality cleanroom panels using materials such as GI, SS, HPL and GRP. We also produce laboratory furniture, cleanroom doors, ceiling panels and glass view panels, along with delivering exceptional service in cleanroom HVAC systems. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is equipped with advanced machinery like Amada punching and bending machines, Trumpf laser machines, and an automatic powder coating line. With digital remote monitoring and computer-aided design capabilities, we ensure every clean room is crafted with precision. Backed by a decade of expertise, our in-house design and technical teams are committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation. From our comprehensive production process, we manage everything in-house. From raw material handling to final product delivery. This integration helps us maintain the highest standards and enhance quality. Our certifications, ISO, CEFA, ASHRAE, and more are a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence.
We are committed to delivering high-quality cleanroom solutions that meet the unique needs of every client. Since 2011, our focus has been on innovation, precision, and customer satisfaction. We take pride in creating cleanroom environments that enable our clients to achieve their best.
Our team of skilled engineers and technicians is dedicated to delivering exceptional service. We handle on-site installations and provide specialized training to ensure your team can operate our systems efficiently. Rigorous quality checks are conducted to guarantee that each cleanroom environment meets stringent performance criteria, ensuring complete client satisfaction. We proudly serve a wide range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, healthcare, hospitals, manufacturing, biotechnology, semiconductors, automobiles, and solar energy, ensuring that every client receives personalized service, whether it's for clean room turnkey project design and consulting services. Our unique approach of providing end-to-end clean room solutions paired with cutting-edge technology and a client-centric approach sets us apart. Our goal is to be the preferred choice for clean room solutions in India and beyond, delivering unmatched quality and value. MK Cleanroom Project Private Limited, where precision and innovation come together to create optimal clean room environments. For more information, visit our website at mkcleanroom.com.